Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Revolut stock trading. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to trade stocks and other financial instruments. To get started with Revolut stock trading, you need to download the app and create an account. Once you have created your account, you can deposit funds and start trading. The first tip for Revolut stock trading is to set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve through trading, whether it is long-term growth or short-term gains. This will help you develop a trading strategy that aligns with your goals. It is also essential to educate yourself on the basics of stock trading, including types of orders, risk management, and market analysis. Another crucial tip is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. Diversification can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. You can use Revolut to trade a wide range of stocks, including US, UK, and European stocks. When it comes to placing trades, it is vital to use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an instruction to sell a stock when it falls to a certain price. This can help limit your losses if a trade does not go in your favor. You can also use take-profit orders to lock in gains when a stock reaches a certain price. In addition to these tips, it is essential to stay informed about market news and trends. You can use Revolut to stay up to date with market news and analysis. The app provides real-time market data and news feeds to help you make informed trading decisions. Finally, it is crucial to manage your risk. This means setting a budget for your trading activities and sticking to it. You should also avoid over-leveraging your account, as this can increase your risk of significant losses. By following these tips and best practices, you can improve your chances of success in Revolut stock trading. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.